Hello beautiful people, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this very fluffy and hydrating body butter with just 3 ingredients. So let's get right into it. First, we're going to be needing shea butter. Shea butter is a moisturizer. Shea butter can help with itchy skin. Shea butter can reduce inflammation and it can help treat irritation of the skin. Next, I'll be using coconut oil. Coconut oil hydrates the skin, it smoothens the skin, and it absorbs easily. Coconut oil is really moisturizing and it's great for dry skin. Lastly, I'll be using argan oil. You can substitute this for any other carrier oil that suits your skin best, but for me, I like argan oil. I'm going to start by putting my shea butter and coconut oil in the same bowl because I'm going to be melting them. If your coconut oil is already liquid, there is no need to melt it with your shea butter. Now I'm going to take this and melt it using the double boiling method. We are making a whipped body butter and that's why we need to melt it. You create a double boiler by adding water to a pot, bringing it to boil, and then you stand in your bowl of shea butter. As the water boils, your shea butter is going to begin to melt gradually. Once the shea butter is completely melted, we're going to take it out and allow it to cool. Once it cools down, we're going to go ahead and add in our oil. Now you're going to pop this in the refrigerator to solidify before we come back and whip our body butter. This is what it looks like after about 30 minutes in the refrigerator. It's now solidified and we can go ahead and whip. You have to whip gently on the lowest speed till you get your desired consistency. You don't want to whip too much and you don't want to whip too little, so just whip on the lowest speed till you get your desired consistency. As you keep whipping, your body butter is going to get more fluffy and more creamy, and at that point you know that your body butter is ready. Yay! Our body butter is now ready. This body butter is so lush and fluffy. This body butter is perfect for dry skin, irritated skin, scaly skin. It moisturizes the skin a lot. Since this body butter does not contain water, adding a preservative to it is optional. However, if you're going to be selling it, then you need to add a preservative. And if you know you will not be careful enough to avoid water, then you should actually add a preservative as well. So our body butter is ready and it's looking so fluffy and beautiful and lush. If you watched this video till this point, thank you so much. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please like this video, share this video, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye, and remember to check out my other videos if you haven't. See you in my next video.